This video is a how to use our school's heating press. Our machine is a Hicks heat transfer machine S650. And it should have a button to turn it on the side. This is a screen you get once you've turned it on. To change the temperature to what is desired, tap on the big number on the left of the screen and use the up and down arrows on the right to adjust it. When done, tap on the number again to set it. To change the time, you need to tap on the numbers located at the bottom of the screen and use the arrows to adjust. There are two preset options to choose from. And if you need any help, press the question mark button on the top right of the screen. When you get a shirt, make sure it's suitable for high heat and pressure, or it will burn. Make sure your shirt is clean and not wet. You will need to use parchment paper if the printer paper you use needs it. Before turning on, make sure that the lever is raised or else it will beep at you very loudly. To undo this, you'll find the lever and flick it. Beware of the sudden pop when you flick it. When you turn on the machine, the first things to happen is a loud beeping, and that's okay. It signals that it works and it will start heating up. Read the instructions on the printer paper you have purchased to properly use it. In the test runs, we had to figure out what side the ink will show up on. Cut out the design that you will use on your shirt. If it's not a white shirt, make sure that you get rid of any unwanted white spots. Because I printed it backwards, I peeled off the layer. I do not recommend this method since you'll lose ink in the process. Once your iron beeps, it's ready to place your shirt on the rubber mat. Place your design on your shirt and whatever it needs with it. Place your shirt on top of the design so it won't burn the shirt you're using on the bottom. Make sure there's no wrinkles to keep the design flat and smooth. Do the process of ironing twice to make sure it's on there. Make sure to have a 10-second cool-off time before putting the iron back on it. Let the shirt cool for a bit and then lift up to reveal the final product. And there you have it. For more information, there will be a link down below.